press conference ko po ito sa radyo. Lahat ng press ko po sa TV shows, commercials, yung TVC ko. Pero ito yung first time ko po na sasagot ako ng tanong sa radyo. So, hindi ko alam kung gagawin ko to. Sit down or nakaupo na. May nakaupo pang hindi ko nakikita. Kasi parang walang gumagamit dito. Uupo na tayo siya, no? Hindi pa. So, good evening po. Ako po si John Parley. I a former DJ of a former station. Hindi na mabanggitin. I used to be Papa Jack. I am now Papa Jack of Energy FM. So maraming po salamat for coming over. I'll answer more questions mamaya sa question and answer po natin. Wag lang pong vital statistics sa Blake Papa Jack. But good afternoon. Thank you po. Sana po busog kayo. But I will last a lifetime. Kasi I just love doing what I do. So, nung malis po, I decided to leave the station no December 22. It took me 3 months to look for, well, a couple of months to look for a job. And then I realized I wasn't looking for a job. Kasi if you have a skill set, kahit saan ka magpunta, okay. So I was looking for an employer. Naghahanap ako ng amo. Hindi pala ako naghahanap ng trabaho. So sa lahat pa ng inuupang kong offer, para akong ina-audition sa mga doon. Kasi gusto ko ng amo. Gusto ko ng, I want to be under a boss that I can work with. I worked well with my former bosses. Well, one person will not represent the entire company. So I could say generally, minahal ko yung mga boss ko na. Pero nung naghanap ako ng papasok yung ibang station, kasi I know that if I decide to move to another station, it will affect the next 10 years of my life. And I have a daughter. I have a daughter and 4 dogs. So, sinaalang-alang ko sila. So, nung nakita ko si Ma'am Rebecca, ang munang ginawa niya, sabi niya sa akin, akin na yung palad mo. Sabi ko, Ma'am, bakit? Titignan ko kung honest ka. Sabi ko, ano to? Kaya po. Sabi ko. So, natuwa ako. So, yun. Tapos sabi niya, order ka na. So, dun lang. Sabi ko, gusto ko dito. Pero bago yun, ko lang. Bago yun, tinawagan ko siya. Good morning, ma'am. Tapos bago pa ako magpasat na sabi niya, busy ako. Sabi ko, ma'am, ako po si John. Yung dati pong Papa Jack. Ay! Sige, I'll see you. I'm on my way. Sabi ko, so okay naman pala yung boss ko. So, yun ang umpisa. So, yun, parang nakakatuwa. So, I want to tell everyone na yung pinagdaan ako 3 buwan na manap po ng bagong estasyon, bagong amo, bagong katrabaho. I want to tell everyone, at sana ma-echo nyo ito sa whatever publications or websites you have. I'm very happy. Masaya po ako.
What qualification?
And yes, and I mean the considerations. What things were you looking for with the, finding a new DJ for the station?
Of course, somebody who can deliver. Kahit naman hindi masyadong experience, but somebody who can deliver is very important. Okay? Meron nga kami dyan na, actually hindi naman siya DJ, pero tinaw namin DJ, nakita niyo, kasi may potential. Kasi we always want to give a bright future to our newcomers, to our employees. Yan naman para sa akin. Mahal pa mga employees ko. We are like a family. Kaya ang tawag naman dyan is Energy FM family. Ang expectation pa naman sa kanya is secret. Ang bilang nakakaalam. Pero I believe that he will deliver. I believe he's an honest person kasi nakita ko na sa palat niya. I also believe that he's not really looking for what you call an employment, but someone who he can call as a family as well. I think he will do everything that I expected him. Kasi na-interview ko na siya, we spent time talking to each other. I hope that answers. Kasi talagang secret naman yun eh.
Alright, thank you po.